Welcome, Homo sapiens. I'm Sophia. V2 AI is finally here, and this is a direct competitor to Kling AI, Luma AI, and Runway ML Gen 3. This is the V2 Studio website. You will find the link in the description below. This is the interface of the website, and if I scroll down, you can see some of the features it offers. To access it, you just have to click on Create Video, and you will have this interface in front of you. Right now, it offers text to video, image to video, and a consistent character feature. We're going to try all of them. First, let's try text to video. This is the prompt section, but if you want the AI to write the prompt, you can click on Inspire Me to get an AI-generated prompt. However, we're going to try our own prompt, and this will cost you 4 credits. The response was very quick. It took around 30 seconds to generate. The video looks anime-like, but the back of the car didn't turn out well. Overall, it's good, and this is only a 4-second long video. Now, let's try to upscale this video and see if we can get better results. Click on the upscale button, and you can see we have 2 options, stable and creative. The creative option is not available yet as it's under development, so we'll go with the stable option. Let's hit upscale. This is the upscaled video, and you can see it's much better than the previous one. Everything is so detailed. Let's try a prompt of an athlete and make sure to turn on the enhanced prompt. This is the output video, and it came out well, as we thought. You can even change the styles by clicking on the settings option. We have style options like animation and general. Let's move on to image to video. We're going to try this image, so let's select it. After uploading, you'll see 2 options. Use as first frame and use for character reference. We also have a built-in consistent character feature inside this tool, which we'll try later. First, let's use the first frame without any prompt and hit generate. This is the output video, and it's really good, same as my input. Now let's try another image of a woman in a bikini laying on the water and generate. I must say the video tools are improving very fast. This came out so well. All of these tools are performing really well. They are working on different algorithms and datasets, but they are doing a good job. As a user, it's good to have multiple options. Now, let's move on to the consistent character feature. Upload your character image and select Use for character reference. I'm using this girl as my consistent character, so I'm going to type a college girl taking a shower selfie and hit Create. This is the output, and the dressing and environment are similar to our initial image. It's not 100% matching with our character, but it's quite close. The video quality is the only problem I have with this tool. If they work on the video quality, we'll be excellent. This was the first look at V2 AI. In my opinion, it's a really good tool. The characters are consistent, the video motion and movement are excellent. Overall, this is an amazing tool. The link is in the description below. Go ahead and try it out. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Please, viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel if you like the video. Do not forget, like and share.